2013 Audi S6 V8 twin turbo. What a beast. This thing is quick and beautiful, all in one. Check it out, guys. Got factory converters up there on the manifolds. Then 2 resonators go there. Then 2.5-inch pipe. Another dual in, dual out resonator there. And then what we did a muffler delete there and right there. And added 2 sexy tips. There's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for them if we can find them for you guys. Sexy blue flames, angle cut quads. There and there to complete the look of this turbo beast, twin turbo beast. There's the 2 mufflers that are on it right there and right there. We disconnected the valves there and there. So now it's fully muffler deleted without any valves. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Go. Ooh. Not bad. Needs more.
I know it needs more.
I think you need to take that second resonator out, the one in the middle.
Take the resonator off?
Yeah, the one in the middle. Yeah, it's quiet. You want to take it down the road real quick, see?
Yeah, let's take it down.
Yeah. See how it pops, if it has any pop or anything.
Right. Is it normal to move it around?
Oh yeah, the whole exhaust is floating.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not connected to the car, it's connected to the rubber band. It sounds good though. Your sound decibels? Right at 98. Again? But it's a lot better clean look than the old tips. Hey Dan, just 1 second, buddy. Sounds cool. It's gonna pop when it goes on. Twin turbo, guys. It's pushing like 500 horse. Where they push like 500 horse out of the factory, right? How many horses is it? 450. What you guys here on the inside? So this is with a muffler delete only, guys. He might want to do a resonator delete next, so we'll see. He's gonna take it down the road. Sorry for the construction, guys. The background noise. It's really quiet at idle too, look. Barely anything. S6. More. All right, guys, round 2 on this Audi S6 twin turbo. So it wasn't loud enough. So what we did, factory converters there and there, kept the factory resonators there. If it's still not loud enough, he might come back and we take these 2 off and put an X pipe. But for now, we did the mid resonator delete right there. And still, did the rear muffler delete earlier. And then he didn't like the blue tips sticking out, so we took them off and put them in a set of Natami tips. Right there, 3.5-inch, double-walled stainless steel. There and there, as you guys can see. And there's the resonator that was on it, so you can tell this thing is massive. It's a dual in, dual out resonator that we cut off right there. So for size comparison, 1, 2, pretty big. So it matches the car a little bit nicer than the blue tips. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. Round 2. Ooh, that's better already. like it. Wow. Now it sounds like a twin turbo. But it's still quiet at idle. Yeah. Oh, it's got that pop. Here's sound decibels. 106. So let me know in the comments, guys. Round 1 or round 2? Muffler delete only or muffler and resonator delete? I like both. I like this better. It's got a nice pop to it. 107. 108. I like it. If you do the tune, then it goes blah, 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 blah. It'd be really cool. That's a sexy car, man. Where can you get 400 horsepower out of a 4-door saloon? Oh yeah, that sounds so good. And all the cool cars today. Sounds really nice. Let me know, guys, did you like the blue tips or the stainless steel tips? That sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Guys, check out these tweeters. Turn it off right here. Look at that. So when you turn it off, it closes. Steering wheel goes up and that goes in. Turn it on, that screen goes up, and then the tweeters come out on each side. It's so cool. And this, remember, guys, was in 2013. That's insane. Audi S6 V8 twin turbo. Very nice car. Very nice. Enjoy, guys.